In this video, I will show you how to use the Citations plugin in Obsidian. So for that, we have to go to the settings of Obsidian and to the community plugins. So if this safe mode is on, you have just to turn off this safe mode. There will be a warning. Click on turn off safe mode. Then go to browse and search for Citations. This is what we are looking for. Install it. And once it is installed, click on enable. Now in the plugin options, you can see Citations has come. So click on Citations. Now one thing that we have to do is, we have to give a path to a JSON file. Citation database format should be in CSL JSON. Here it is mentioned CSL JSON, and one more option is there, bibliotex, but I'll stick with the default CSL JSON. And the citation database path we have to give it here. I'll give it in a moment. And the literature note folder, it is saying reading notes. I'll change it to annotations. Okay, that is my preference. You can name it whatever you want. And I'll copy this so that I can create a folder here. I will go to my Obsidian vault and create a new folder with the name annotations. Okay, done. So the next thing is, we have to go to Zotero. So let me open Zotero here. As you can see, my Zotero has 3 papers in my collection, this COVID collection. So what I will do is, I will right click on the collection and I will go to export collection. Then there are options of CSL JSON and better CSL JSON. So if I select CSL JSON, there will be a missing option here. I'll show you what I mean by that. So if I select better CSL JSON, see, there is an option of keeping it updated. So if I select it, what it means is, later on if I add more papers to my collection, it will be automatically saved in this file also, whatever file I am going to save right now. So it will keep it updated. So let me select the location of the file. I'll select it. I'll go to my home folder. I'll go to Zotero data, and then I'll name it COVID. Okay, that's fine. And better CSL. Save. So let us check whether it has been done or not. Let me open it with text edit, and yeah, 3 entries have been included, right? So let me close it, and let me close Zotero as well. Now, if we see the command palette by pressing command P and search for Citations, so there are 4 commands specific to this plugin, and only these 2 commands which are having hotkeys are important. So one is open literature note, this one, which is option shift and O, and the other one important command is insert literature note link, that is option shift E. So these 2 we have to remember. Otherwise, if we don't remember, we can always open this command palette by pressing command P on Mac and then selecting whichever command we want. Now I'll show you. If we click on this open literature note, what happens? It will actually try to load the citation database. So it is saying loading citation database, but since we have not specified the path, it is not able to load. So let me go back and give it the path. So here I have to give the path of the JSON file. Let me go back to my home folder and copy the path from here and paste it here. So inside Zotero data, my file is named covid.json. Yeah, as soon as I give the correct path, it will show you that loaded library with whatever number of references you have in that file. So now we are ready. Let me close all of these. Yeah. Now if I press Ctrl Shift O, yes, now you can see all of my references in my library that I saved in the JSON file have come up here. So I can select for which particular paper I want to put the notes. So let's say I want to create notes for this particular paper, first one. So I will click on it and it will be, yes, saved in the annotations folder, because we have already specified in which folder to save. And here you can see this is the YAML front matter, and in the YAML front matter, this citation plugin will insert three things. One is title, this title, it is inserted. Second one is authors, and third one is year. You can also customize this, I believe, here. So here the customization is available. You can customize what all details you need in the YAML front matter. I will not go into those details right now. So you can put your notes on this paper here. And now if you create a new note, you can use the other command which I will show you, this insert literature note link in your new note. Okay, so let me put this. Yeah, so in the preview mode, if you click on this, you will go to the note. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.